The topic is direct and indirect questions. Indirect sentence.
Yeah, before we get into the direct indirect detail, let us see first let us recall our
types
four
of
kinds of
sentence.
Yeah, Yashwant,
First is assertive and declarative sentence. It's end with full stops. And second one, imperative sentence. These are three types: order, request, suggestion. And third one, interrogative sentence. It's types of two. First one, yes or no. Second one, reasonable types.
Reasoning questions.
It's end with question mark. Fourth one, accelerative sentence. It's end with exclamatory mark.
Yeah.
And we see.
Can you say the examples of each sentence first?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please tell one example to each sentence.
Accelerative sentence. Example 1. She said, we are playing now. This is direct speech.
Yeah.
It's changed into indirect speech. She said that they were playing them. Then.
So what are the changes there?
We
In the place of inverted commas.
Inverted commas.
What change did you do?
That.
Yeah. The joining word
That is.
Yeah. Next.
We are we change into they.
They.
Are were.
So what is are in word? Tense.
Tense.
The change is
Tense.
The other change which you did there?
Now.
Now into?
Then.
Good. Next.
Imperative sentence. She said, don't waste our time.
Your time. Okay.
Your time. She suggested, you have these suggestions for this sentence.
Yeah.
First we write sentence, suggested.
Yeah.
Not to waste our time.
So if it is a request, then what you will do?
This change is request.
So in the place of suggested, what do you write?
Request.
Requested. If it is a command?
Is order.
Yeah, commanded.
Order.
The next.
And imperative sentence.
Yeah,
Interrogative
one
sentence.
thing here now, how did you connect this? Don't waste your time. How did you connect it in the indirect?
This.
Yeah. Don't is changed into?
Not to.
Not to. So is that is used here? Is that is used there?
Yes. No.
Is that is used as a conjunction? No. Then what is used in the imperative sentence?
Not to.
Not to. In the place of not to, in the place of don't, not to is used. If it is a positive sentence,
Don't.
only to
Don't.
is used. Continue the next.
Interrogative sentence.
Okay. Yeah. Now let's see again the interrogative sentences. Yeah.
It's one is yes or no.
So
And
interrogations we have how many types of interrogations
two.
we have?
Two types.
What are they?
Yes or no.
Yes or no type questions.
Second one,
and the other is
reason.
reasoning types. Example now.
Yes or no types question. They said, are you going to school? They inquired whether we were going to school or coming to school.
Whether we were. Now what are the changes you have used here now?
Inquired.
Inquired. So in the place of said, you used inquired. What is the other word can be used? What can be the other word?
Yes.
You all also can answer. In the place of inquire, what other word we can use?
Inquired.
Asked, inquired, questioned. So any of the word whichever is suitable you can use it.
Inquired.
So they inquired. Then how did you join it there?
This
Joining word.
whether.
Yeah. If or whether. There I have written see.
If or whether.
Yeah. So which is mostly used?
Whether.
Whether is mostly used. Now read the whole sentence.
They inquired whether we were going or coming to school.
So what is the tense now? Are is changed into
Where?
were. The other change is this the same question in the indirect speech? Is it a question sentence in the indirect speech? Are you going to school is a question.
Yes, ma'am.
So here, do you find again a question? Do you find a question mark at the end? Do you find a question mark at the end?
No.
So what did we do there? All questions, any kind of sentence will change into assertive. That's what is the beginning point I told you. So whether the sentence is imperative or interrogative or exclamatory, these three will change into declarative.
Declarative.
Yeah, that's what we have to do. Yeah, please continue the second one.
Reason. We said, what is our next plan?
Yeah.
We asked, what is our or your following or coming plan was?
Was. So was is at the end. Did
Yes.
you notice that?
Yes.
So if it is after what is, after the word what, if is used, it's a question.
Yes, ma'am.
So when it goes to the last one, then it will become a statement. Yeah. The next one.
Exclamatory sentence is end with exclamatory mark. She said,
Hooray.
hooray, it's a holiday.
Yeah.
She expressed happily that it was a holiday.
Yeah. So in the place of happily, so according to the sentence, you can use all the required adjectives. If it is a joy, you can use joyfully.
Okay,
If it is a sadness, sadly. So she expressed sadly, she expressed happily, she expressed joyfully, she expressed, she screamed happily. Which sentence we did it already.
Yes.
So likewise, we change all the direct into
Indirect.
This is how we do it. Please do practice. Thank you, Jeshwan.